Okay, so hi guys, this is a Unity thingy, game design, I'm showing you how to do. Okay, so right, let's just go straight into it, you know, I'm back, hey, been like a month, oh well, straight into it. Well, first you're gonna need the software, aren't you really, so just go, Unity, why isn't the Y button working there? Click on Unity Game Engine, and it goes in here, you know, just gotta wait for it to load, click download, and just click download there. Okay, I'm not actually going to do this because I've already got it. Okay, then you'll get like, don't want to do either. Okay, so then you'll get this. Well, you won't get this. If you do get this, then just leave it. Go file, new project. You'll have this, probably. And basically, what's the name? I'm gonna name mine YouTube Tup. YouTube Tup. And you want pretty much all of these. Okay, there was an interruption there. Sorry about that. Yeah, we can hear disruptions. But anyway, yeah, you want pretty much all of these. Apart from that one, you don't really need that one unless you're making a mobile game. Which we're not doing, let's make it one PC game. Right, these three you won't have unless you've downloaded them. So yeah, go and click create. And this will create it for you. You should have this, if not you're using a lower version. Which it will still work, it doesn't matter what version you're on. But I do recommend updating. Sorry guys, my voice is going a bit funny today. Okay, I'm just going to pause it until this is done. Okay, so when it's done loading, you'll get a screen like this. Pretty much just like this. And the reason I say just like this is because this is on default layout. If you want to change the layout, go on Window, Layouts, and you got a bunch of these. But you can also just like move these around customly, so you want to put it like there or something, I don't know. But yeah, this is the basically, you've got hierarchy, which is all the stuff that's in the game. My dogs have come to see me, apparently. Okay. But yeah, you got hierarchy, everything that's in your game at the moment, so you got main camera. That's it. Hang on a second, I've got to deal with the dogs. Okay, sorry about that. The dog just climbed on the back of my chair onto the desk, like next to the laptop. Okay. Okay, so you got hierarchy there, everything in the game. Then you got the inspector over this side here. Here where the mouse is. Okay, you see that? Yeah, good. The main camera, that's basically what inspector is. It's everything about the stuff you click on here. The stuff you got in the game. So click on main camera, got all the scripts and everything. The transform scripts, camera scripts, everything. You got name, you got the tags and the layers, you know, this stuff. And down here you got project. Now all that stuff we imported, all stuff we ticked, it's all in here. So if I was to like zoom in a bit, there you go, we've got it all here. That's all the stuff we imported. And we've got console, this will come up with all the errors. Don't worry about these are just basic stuff, you don't need to worry about them, they just come up anyway. Let's click clear. But yeah, that's the layout of pretty much everything. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the scene view. Pretty much anything, it's in the game, we can sit here and you can move it all around. Yeah. And then you got the game view. This is how you'll see sorry. This is how you'll see the game. Yeah, that's pretty much it. You want to hit maximize on play, so you can see the full game when you play it. Let's play our game so far, shall we? Okay, as you can see, it's just pretty much empty. Not much of a game, really. This isn't really much fun. I can't do anything. Nothing can be done here. No. Pretty much nothing. I think I'm winning. Okay. Click play. Just pause it. Okay, so the first one to do is we're going to fill this in. Wait a minute. Had to clear my throat. Realised you probably didn't want to hear me. Like, yeah. Then what's the sound called? I don't know. But yeah, we're gonna fill this empty void here. So go on scene view. Okay, you're gonna go train, create train. Right click, put in. You got a new train down here. Right, you want to put that in standard assets. Go in standard assets. Create. Right, you want to right click. Create. Order. Terrains. Okay. Now let's find it again. Stick it in there. Where's the two terrains? Terrain assets. Ah, that's why. Okay, now you wanna. Okay, so that's all good. I'll zoom out a bit. This is a weird angle, don't know why. That just brings up something. This bit here, this shows all the angles you can go at. So Z, that's it facing the camera, how close it is and how far away from it is the camera. Y, of course, up and down. X, across. You can click on these to get the view. But yeah, I'm not going to do that because I really always much fail getting it back. I think that's how you get it back, but I don't know. Yeah, so you got your train. And you're gonna click on the paintbrush first of all, because it's just a grey thing. You don't really want it to be grey. It's pretty ugly, to be honest. You don't really want to play on just a grey surface. You know. Edit textures, add texture, select colour grass. Grass hill, and then 1 and 1. Click add, and now we've got grass. It looks pretty dull and pretty dark. There's a reason for that, because there aren't any lights on. Click lights. Yeah. I'm gonna click game object, create other, and we want directional light. Now that pretty much covers everything. So directional light. I'm gonna click this arrow up here. That should move everything. I'm just gonna move it a bit out of the way. You rotate it, and yeah, pretty much rotates itself. So you can rotate it further and right, adjusting the light. I might as well just have it on max. Okay, so now I got the light covering everything. I've got this huge terrain. Okay, so now we're going to need something to play as. So just temporarily, character controller, let's do first person controller. Position, 0, 0. It's in the center of the screen, makes pretty much everything much easier. But he's on the corner of the thing. So, right, first thing we're going to do, if you click on something in here, like that, and press F with your mouse hovering over the scene view, focuses on it. And as you can see, he is on the corner of the terrain. That's not very good. So we're going to change the position. So we're going to change it by 500. Nope. Sorry. Minus 500. By, guess what? Minus 500. Okay, so now he is in the center of this. Well, he's not actually in the center. I don't know where he is in it, but he's in a good position. I'm going to move him up so he doesn't just fall through the map. Okay, let's try out the game now. There we go. The sensitivity isn't really high. You can pretty much walk around, do anything. Look at the grass. Pretty much it. Not much more you can do really here. You can jump really high, apparently. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, now we want to make this more like a game. So for that, we need a place to walk around. Now, I want to go paint height. I think this is all good. Anyway, let's make a mountain. It might be a bit close to him, so let's move this back a bit. Let's move this a bit. This is nice and smooth mountain over here. As you can see, the mounting is it's a bit green. Really, you don't really get many green mountains, do you? Not really mountain, I would say it's not that tall, but still, it's just temporary. Something to look at. A minute. Let me pause it. More interruptions, yippee. So yeah, just raise this all up. Raise this up a little bit more. You pretty much make it how you want, really. You don't have to copy this. So let's make it a bit go around player like that. Okay, I think check my player isn't buried. He is buried. Buried. What am I on about? I can't believe I said buried. Okay. But anyway, so if you do that, let's go shift and then press. So let me do that. Oh. Shift and then press there. There you go. Done. Right, let's smoothen this out a bit. Is it smooth height tool? Can smooth it all out. Doesn't really need much smoothing really, but you know, it just makes it better. Okay. But no one really ever finds a green mountain. I'll be honest, I have never seen a green mountain. They're not that common. So, I'm going to paint, edit textures, add texture, select, type in grass again. This is the best one for doing a mountain, in my opinion. Again, 1, 1, add. Now you want to select the texture, and you can just paint it manually. There you go. Now it stands out from the rest of the map completely. Literally, it stands out. Get it? No? Okay. I'm like a comedian. Totally. Like, totally. Oh my god, I can't believe I said totally. It's all grey. It's all one solid colour, but well, that's fine for now. Like, in the future, we'll change it so it's not all just one solid colour. So now we click play. Wait for it to load. We have a huge mountain. Yep, you can't really climb it, I don't think. Let's try. Nope. So yeah, that adds to it, but the mountain does look a bit weird, so we'll edit it in a bit. Right, so I want to make the terrain a bit more attractive. So around the mountain, it's like a forest. And you want to go on the trees section, like I did. Edit trees, add tree. And click on that little circle there. And you want to click on big tree. Double click. Don't want to do anything here, just leave it alone. Click add. And now you want to brush size a little bit further down. And just click trees in around the area. Just put maybe if you're on the mountain. Okay. So now we hit play. Sorry. Trees. Okay, now there's one final thing we need to do. Well, it's not final, we still need to edit the terrain a bit more. But yeah, we're going to click on here, the little flower thingy. Edit details. Add grass texture. Click the little circle thing again. Type in grass. And click on glass too. Glass. Grass. 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 And then just paint it everywhere. You can't see it from further out, that's fine. It's supposed to be like that. Just put it everywhere. Okay. Click play again. And there you go. It's pretty tall grass, but you know, it adds to the terrain. It's going up the mountain. If you ever get that, then you can pretty much either take it away, or you can make it look like it's supposed to be there. But yeah, that's just very basic terrain, pretty much. You get grass, you get trees. Alright, first, actually no, before we go, let's shift and take away all this grass here. You don't want it on here. It's not supposed to be there. There you go. And, right, if you want to do any more detail, let's go. We could, like, make the grass rise up a little bit more, maybe. Edit textures, let's add another texture. You get it, so let's try and find, let's see if there's anything for mountain. Nope. Rock. Let's have a look what that looks like. I'm not sure if it looks any good, so this is just a test, pretty much. How was that? No. If you ever make a mistake like that, I just did. And do edit detail. And then you just pretty much want to click that, edit textures, remove texture. Okay. I was trying to think of whatever else I could show you. That mountain does look a bit like too smooth at the top, doesn't it? I think we can sharpen the height. Go really small. Oh, where'd my mouse go? And then I think we can really sharpen it up. I think. Maybe not. There we go. If you put the paintbrush down size to 1, it makes it really sharp. The graphics make it look quite worse, but it looks quite sharp. Make it up a little bit. It's got like 3 spikes at the top. Oh there. What should I want to do that? That could be like a signature thing, I guess. A spike mountain. A bit rougher. Yeah. The crown mountain, let's call it. It's almost a bit of a crown, I guess. Look up. Still a bit of a smooth surface, but okay. That could do for our basics of the level. Okay, now. Sorry. Go back into some resets. Your folder. And now let's make one called. Excuse me. There was a bit of a lot there, but okay. Okay, so double click. If you ever do something like that, what I just did, just double click on the. Nope. Click once. There you go. Now let's call it scenes. Scenes are like levels, pretty much. I spelled it wrong. I hate this keyboard. There you go. Scenes. Go in the scenes folder. Now let's click Control S. This saves the scene. This saves the level. Let's call it level 1. Save. To find where it's put it in some assets, and stick it in scenes. Okay. I think that's all we do for now. Back next time, and I'll probably sort out that spiky bit by next time. Yeah.